Hey guys, welcome welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. For today's video we have a really fun one. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. I think it's been since like last summer that I did one. We're gonna do a clothing haul. Since I've moved back to Miami, I have definitely been doing, a little bit of shopping here and there. I am trying to decrease my makeup shopping and increase like my clothing shopping, because like sometimes I go back and forth between like one or the other. It's like I give up clothing and then buy a lot of makeup, or I buy a lot of clothing and give up makeup. So I'm trying to find a balance between the two, but it's Lent and I've given up buying makeup for Lent, so I've channeled my energies elsewhere and spent my money buying a bunch of clothes, as well as I am going on vacation in about 2 weeks. I'm going to Haiti, so I wanted to pick up a couple new things to rock while I'm over there and look cute and whatnot. So let me just stop rambling on as I always do and just get right into the clothes. I am going to be trying them on for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys the try-ons in like a split screen pop-up, so you'll see how they look on me. And I'll also tell you the sizes, the prices, and where I got them from and all that jazz. So if you want to stay tuned and see what I got, then keep watching. First and foremost, I want to say that I've really been into Zara's lately, so we're gonna go into my Zara's bag first. And they had like a little bit of a sale and whatnot, so I picked up like a few items, not too many, because even though Zara's has a sale, it's still quite pricey. So first and foremost is I got this shirt here. It's really cute, and I love the pearls on the neck, and I got it in a size what size is this? Oh god, I think it's a medium, because I kind of already wore this already and I took the tag off. I got it in a medium and it was $19.99, which is not bad at all if you know Zara prices. And this is a very nice like shirt, and it's made of like some really good material. For $19.99, this was definitely a bargain. Next up, I just have like this little like light blue purse that I got here. I really like this. It's super tiny, especially when I'm like going out and I don't want to be like weighed down by like a heavy purse or something. This is so perfect. It fits my phone and my wallet and a lip gloss, so I don't really need much else. Super cute. And this was $10 because it was also on the clearance when they had their sale a few weeks ago. Next, I picked up these pair of pants here. And it has like this kind of a waistband. Really into this right now, and it's like a skinny leg, but it's like midi. Love this pattern. I got it in a size large, and these were $19.99 as well. I kind of wish they had an extra large, because I don't know if the large is gonna fit me, because I hate trying on clothes and I didn't try it on, and I told myself I'd lose weight if they didn't fit me. But we will see how these goes. I will obviously be trying them on for you, and they're going to show up somewhere on the screen. The last thing I got from Zara's is this really just like casual little white t-shirt crop top here. I wanted to get this to go with these pants, because I kind of have an idea of how I want to wear them with these like Steve Madden flat top sneakers that I have. And the shirt was $9.90, which is super affordable. Moving on to this random romper here, or jumpsuit, because I've already worn this as well. I got this jumpsuit from Ross. And I really like this baby blue color. I've been loving this like theme of like kind of linen looking clothing, and it's striped, and I love this color. I think it's so cute. The off the shoulder was perfect, and then the like little tie, the little bows they have at the end, super cute. You guys will see it on me looking very cute. This is like that midi type of form. Love the way the pant leg is wide. Super cute. You will see this. Up next, I have some things from Marshall's. I'm gonna be going back and forth between stores, so like don't judge me. I'm just picking up bags as they come to me. Speaking of bags, I did get this really cute kind of like Tiffany blue bag from Marshall's. Honestly, I have no idea what brand this is, because it's called like Letaire Fashion. Don't know, don't care. I just thought that this was a super cute bag, and I love the zipping on the side, because it can zip up, and I also like that the inside can zip as well, because I hate having these bags and having them not being able to zip. And this bag was $16.99, a bargain. I swear to God, super cheap, super cute. And then another thing that I got from Marshalls from this trip, because I kept everything in the bag, I obviously went multiple times, was this jumpsuit as well. This is what the front looks like, and it has like an open back. And it's that same midi type of form. I actually think this one might be a long one, but I've been really into jumpsuits lately because I think they just make like the perfect outfits. You just get one thing and it's cute and you're good to go, and all you need are like shoes and whatnot. And once you beat your face, like that's really the whole outfit right there. Like, you know, you don't have to be buying super expensive things to look good. This was actually $19.99, which in my opinion is a bargain. Another item that I got from TJ Maxx is this bag here. I love this bag. I love this color. It's very nice. I went out with it a couple times already, and a lot of people are always like, oh my god, where'd you get this bag from? It's so cute. And I'm just like, girl, I got this from TJ Maxx, and I'm pretty sure this bag was like $20 as well. And I love how these straps can come off, so I can like carry it like this and make it look even chicer, or I can, you know, just have it as a crossbody and like be super comfortable with it. It also has like a back zip, which is really cool, and it has like 2 compartments in the inside. I have some stuff in there because I did wear this bag to go out shopping today. Super fun, right? I got a pair of jeans from the most randomest place ever. I got these Jessica Simpson rolled crop skinny jeans from Costco. This is what they look like. I got them in a size 12. I hope that these fit. I think they fit. I'm either like a 12 or 11. And if it's a good month, maybe a 10. But I do think that these will fit. They were at Costco. How much were these again at Costco? Where's the Costco price? I don't see it. I'm pretty sure I paid like $13 for these, which is why I was just like, of course I would have get them. I don't know, they just had these in the entrance and they had a bunch of different colors, but I just got some like, you know, normal blue jeans because I don't really have any of this color that I really like right now. So yeah, that was just like a really random purchase. Moving on, another shopping trip at TJ Maxx. I have this shirt here. Looks like this. And again, as I said, I've really been into this type of like shirt pattern. I love how this one is the blue, but it has like the flowers on it. Super cute. And this shirt was only $12.99, and I got it in a size medium, which I hope fits. Because again, guys, I really hate trying on clothes. This shirt I got from Target actually. It's so cute. It's this really cute like yellow crop top, and it has like an open back and it like ties in the back. Super cute. I do plan on wearing these with like some high-waisted white shorts. I'm still on the hunt for those high-waisted white shorts because I saw some at Zara's, but they were $45 and I was like, Zara's, no. So I got this. Super cute. I got it in a size medium, and this was $19.99. Another Marshalls trip. I got this cute little romper thingy here. Looks like this. I love this color just because I think it's like the perfect kind of brown color for my skin tone, because it's lighter than me. And these were $16.99, and I got them in a size large. Yeah, I got these in a size large. I do plan, because it has like an open back like this, I do plan on wearing this with like a bralette underneath, like maybe one of my lime, like not lime, yellowish, it's weird, or like a dark green one, but I do have like, or a gold one. Oh, I have a gold bralette I think I'm gonna wear underneath this to really complete the look. I really like that. A random thing that I found at Marshall's was this lipstick holder. I definitely needed a new one of these because I have a few others that I used to use and they're all in storage, so I definitely needed a new one, and this was only $4.99. That's a bargain, guys. Next, this is some more stuff from TJ Maxx. I got these pants, which are super cool looking, super cool, you know, or whatever. If you guys can't tell, I've really been into the color blue lately. These pants are actually originally from Zara, and I only paid $12.99 for them. You guys will see them on. They're super, super cute. And these are a pair of pants that I think will go with that other crop top white shirt that I got from Zara's, because I do intend on like wearing it with several different types of pants. I just really, really like these pants. It's like you buy one statement piece and like one simple piece that will complement all the other statement pieces that you got, so that you don't have to keep buying like a million different shirts to match like all these crazy looking pants. You know what I mean? You get it. Next item that I got from TJ Maxx, again, is these types of shirts. At this point, I think I've overdone it with this type of shirt, but I don't really care because I really like them. And this one is a solid blue color. Super, super cute. Love it. Next, I got another pair of these kind of pants. These are middies and they're striped, and I love this tie because I love having something that will like tie my waist so that it can give me like a definition, so that I don't look like lumpy and frumpy. I don't know, I just like having something that defines my waist a bit more so that you can tell the difference between my top half and bottom half. It's really weird. But anywho, these pants were only $12.99 and I got them in a size large. Next thing I got from Marshalls are some shoes. These are the only shoes that I got because I have like 1,000,001 shoes and I didn't feel the need to buy like a bunch of new shoes again. I got these Jack Rogers sandals here. Super, super cute. I love these. These are so cute. One thing I will say about these shoes though is that they're definitely cut small, because I had to get a 9.5 and I usually wear like 8.5 to 9 in sandals. So these are definitely cut small, but these are really, really cute. I love them. My toes look so good in them, especially once I actually get my toes done. They're gonna look so cute. I absolutely love these. These were one of the pricier items that I got. These were $50, but these are Jack Rogers, so I can't really expect anything less, but I think that was still a bargain for Jack Rogers. I love this. Oh, I lied. I did get another pair of shoes, but these are not from like TJ Maxx or anything. These are from the Adidas store. I got a new pair of sneakers. These are, oh God, what are these? I don't know. I'm not into sneakers like that. I just needed new sneakers to go to work. These are the Alpha Bounce RCMs. I got the male ones because the male ones were cheaper than the female ones, and that's just really ridiculous. So in a male, apparently I wear a size 8. But in females, I obviously usually wear a size 9, so that makes sense. I wear a size 8, and I got these. I really, really liked the way that they felt in the store. I love how much cushion they have at the bottom. The guy said that they're like multitask shoes. You can like walk with them, run with them, stand on them for, you know, long periods of time, which I definitely need for my job, which is why I got these. And I love this like burgundy color, super, super cute. So these were obviously a win, and these were $85. I got them from the outlet Adidas store, so I'm thinking that that means they were cheaper than if I had gone to the real Adidas store, if you know what I mean. But like I said, I'm not really into sneakers like that, and this is like the third pair of like athletic sneakers that I own besides like Converse. So yeah, I thought this was a good purchase though, because I was really on the hunt for some really, really good sneakers. Just a few more items left. This is kind of a short haul. I didn't buy too many things. It's my niece's birthday party in a week, and today I went on the hunt to find an outfit for her birthday party, and I found this little midi jumpsuit from Guess that now I see is broken, so that's gonna be a problem. Oh, come on, I hate myself. Where did this go? I don't know. The little clasp on the front fell off, but it's this like blush pink jumpsuit here. You'll see it in my try on portion. It's super, super cute. I love it. I love the way it looks on me. I did get a size medium in this. I tried a large, it didn't fit, and I got a medium, and it was $54.99. Another one of my pricier items, but it's for my niece's party, and obviously I wanted to be really cute for her party. And guys, I'm so upset. Like, there's a little clasp in the front here, but the part to attach is gone. I'm pretty sure it was there when I tried it on, or was it? Oh no. Oh God, I hate myself. Okay, well that's gotta get returned. Okay, the receipt is in there. Perfect. So another bag that I got is from TJ Maxx. I got this beautiful yellow bag here. It's so gorgeous, guys. I love it so much. It can be like a purse, like this, or you can like pull these straps to like make it a backpack. Super cute. I absolutely love this. Or you can like make it a long like purse like this because the strap is long. It's super cute, super versatile. I love how I can wear it several different ways. And this bag was only $24.99. That's super affordable. I got a bathing suit. I did wash this already though because I don't trust bathing suits like that, so I wash them before I wear them for the first time. I got this from TJ Maxx as well, and this one is, I don't even know what kind of bathing suit this is. It's just a basic one-piece body bathing suit. And then our last item of the day is this jumpsuit thing. I don't even know how to, overalls. I think these are called overalls that I got. And I love how the denim is different colors. And then it even like goes down to like, it has like a bit of ripped part in it. I really like this. And it has like, you know, the little leg folded at the bottom. I thought these were really cute. And again, these are another pair of items that I intend on like wearing with that white crop top that I bought. I'll probably buy another crop top, another color, just to, you know, spruce this up because I do like this a lot. But I have white like crop tops and other colors that I can wear with this, and it'd be really cute. This was $24.99 and I got it in a size, who knows, oh, 11. I got this in a size 11. So I'm really excited to wear all of these items when I go away. I'm super excited to be going to Haiti in general. But yeah, I think I've rambled on way too much in this video, but I was just really excited about the products that I got. As you could tell, a lot of my products were from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I really do encourage you guys to like go out there and go to a bunch of different ones. Like every time I see one, I kind of like remember where it is if I don't have time to stop. And if I do have time to stop, I go in there. Even if I'm not buying anything, I just go in there to see if they have anything good, and like maybe I'll come back when I actually have money that I want to spend, you know, stuff like that. That's usually just like the way you can ball on a budget, like, you know, just plan out when you can and can't buy things, and it usually will work out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.